So look outside this morning. We have the dry skies out there, hardly a cloud in the sky. Now, with the dry conditions, with the winds increasing today, the fire threat is also coming back into play. So we have that red flag warning up for today and tomorrow. That's really denoted by the counties in the pink. The counties in the yellow, that's a fire weather watch for Tuesday and Wednesday. So the fire weather threat is going to stay high really for much of this week as the winds continue to pick up. But for today, winds out of the west and southwest leading us to some pretty hot conditions, especially as we get you into far eastern New Mexico. As we talk about the winds, though, look at this. So far, not a huge issue. We do have the 10 to 15 mile an hour winds over in Clayton, Tucumcari, and Clovis. But as we go through the day, we'll start to see them increase. Statewide, about a 10 to 30 mile an hour sustained wind for today. And then tomorrow becoming even windier. We'll have the mild temperatures for our Tuesday. That fire threat going even higher for our Tuesday afternoon. Then we'll be tracking our next storm system. This is going to move just into southern Colorado, northern New Mexico, and it will bring us a chance for some moisture, but it's also going to keep the wind around for us as well, and it's going to usher in some cooler temperatures for us by Wednesday. So this warm spell that we're having is going to go away by the middle of this week. But out the door this morning, pretty mild, no jacket necessary really for any of us. We've got a lot of 50s and 60s out there. 44 degrees right now in Santa Fe, 54 in Albuquerque, and 58 degrees in Socorro. Roswell, earlier this morning around 4:30, we're at 70 degrees. We're now down to about 65. So nice start to the day, and we'll continue to track the sunshine for our afternoon by 5 o'clock, all the way up to 84 degrees with the breezy skies in store. But here's a look at your forecasted high for today. We'll climb to about 76 degrees in Santa Fe, 80 in Las Vegas, Tucumcari all the way up to 95, and Roswell all the way up to 96 degrees. So you can see the heat really settling into the east and into the southeast. And if we look back at some records, really the only area that I think we may tie a record today is going to be Tucumcari, and that old record was set back in 2012 at 95 degrees, and that's our forecasted high for today. But as we take you through the next couple of days, some bigger changes. We are going to see the cooler weather, some moisture in parts of southern Colorado, but today mostly sunny and warm. 72 degrees for a high in Durango. Pagosa Springs will get to 70. We'll be tracking 60s tomorrow and even 50s by the end of the week, with a chance for rain and some high elevation snow. As we take you into the north and west, Farmington will climb up to 81 degrees with lots of sunshine. Winds southwest 10 to 20 miles an hour. Tomorrow, a few more clouds, mid 70s, then 60s, and the chance for scattered showers Wednesday and Thursday. As we take you into the south and west, sunny skies with a west wind 10 to 20 miles an hour today. A lot of us will climb into the mid and upper 80s, a few 70s though. Silver City a high of 79, and Quemado up to 74 degrees. Deming will get to 88. Then the next few days will gradually cool down. Hold on to the dry skies in the southwest, but we'll see 74 degrees Tuesday, then 60s by Wednesday. Into the south and east, sunny skies, a west wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Lots of 90s, feeling the heat here. Tomorrow will still be in the 90s, but by Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be tracking the low 80s with the dry skies. In the northeast, windy today, a west wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. With a lot of us in the 80s today. In Las Vegas, we'll get to 80, 70s tomorrow, and 60s by Wednesday and Thursday. In the northern mountains, we'll have the 70s, even a few 80s. We'll get to 76 in Taos, 82 in Espanola, with cooling temperatures through the middle of this week. And the east mountains today, breezy west wind 15 to 25 miles an hour. Up to 79 degrees in mountain air with more 80s as we get you into the metro area. The Heights up to 83, the South Valley 85 degrees with a west wind today 10 to 20 miles an hour. So again, the red flag warning up for today and the next couple of days. Winds are only going to increase Tuesday and Wednesday. Our typical springtime winds is what we'll have by the middle of the week, but we'll also have the cooler temperatures.